Tired of stressed, chipped, or warped models from using traditional hobby knives? Meet this professional-grade ultrasonic cutter. With a powerful 35-watt output and 40,000 vibrations per second, it glides through plastics, resin, PVC, and carbon fiber, just like a hot knife through butter. It completely eliminates melting, burrs, and cracking, saving you hours of tedious sanding with clean, flawless cuts. Using it is incredibly simple. Just slide the safety lock, twist open the cap to install your blade, plug it in, and toggle the switch. Weighing only 173 grams, its light, ergonomic pen grip design significantly reduces hand fatigue during long projects. It runs extremely quiet and features 4 built-in LED work lights to perfectly illuminate every hidden detail. The reliable USB corded power ensures consistent performance without battery worries, while the built-in smart overheat protection automatically pauses the tool for absolute safety. Ready right out of the box, this kit includes a premium carrying case and 50 replaceable blades in 5 specialized styles. Upgrade your 3D printing and model making game today